one time for the one time. It's your girl Minnie, and I am back at it with another fucking video. And today, I got this beautiful look right here using the Zulu by Juvias Place. Yes, sis. You see that? Glam, 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 bam, bam, wham, wham. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. 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 If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. Anytime me and my bae upload a new video. Without further ado, let's get into this glam, sis. Cut crease is one of my faves now. Why? I don't know why. So first color I'm gonna get into is this yellow color. And take it up high, child. I have to stray from this look and do other looks, but whatever. It's whatever you feel. It's whatever you feel at the moment, whatever you're comfortable with. And people really not gonna notice that you're doing the same type of looks, because unless they like real makeup artists, and even then, like, people don't be paying attention. People attention spans is like a grain of salt. So then I'm gonna go in with this orange that's next to this yellow and go in the crease. My eye was tearing, as you can see in the corner. Eye is always tearing. Why? I just don't know why. Now we're gonna cut the crease. Now that I have that, I'm going to go in with this green. I feel like this is a real simple look that you guys can do. I'm going to go in with this green right here. Just pack that on. Now that I have that, I'm going to go back into the orange and just buff out the edge. I should put yellow so it could be like a gradient effect, you know what I mean? Yeah. A Morphe M431 brush, and I go back in to define it. See what I'm saying? Yellow. Yes, that's what it was missing, honey. Then I'm going to line my eye using the Starstruck liner. My eyelashes is always getting in the way, child. I'm gonna let that dry and then I'm gonna scrape it off. Whatever. Ha ha! I did it. I did it. I did it. So then I'm gonna prime my face using the Fenty primer. I'm gonna use the Fenty in the 385. To conceal, I'm using the Fenty concealer in the shade 360. I forgot to set my face. Then I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil. And the rest I'm just gonna pack in. Using the Chestnut MAC. Then I'm gonna take Arrowhead. So then what I'm gonna do is put the Aaliyah Brooklyn Born lip gloss. I'm using a Starstruck highlighting powder in the shade Belle. I just took the yellow from the Juvias Place palette and put it under the waterline. I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Glow Watcher and put that in the inner corner. Let me know down below if you do your makeup, your nose start running. Does it mean you are allergic to the product? Let me know down below. Set my face using my MAC, Fix Prep. Put my moles back. And my other one.
Been thinking about hands on my body. I just want you close, always around me. This is where we are supposed to be daily. Put down the phone and focus on me, baby. We've been through a lot. I held you.
Please give this video a big fat thumbs up. I feel like this is an easy look. I'm doing like easy looks until I get to the next level, because there's levels to this, sis. Like, it is definitely levels to this. But I'm pretty proud of myself. Like, I feel like I'm stepping up the ladder. If you are a beginner and you are experiencing makeup levels like Donkey Kong, like, then you lit, sis. I'm definitely feeling like a makeup artist. F that, I am one. I do my own.
Okay, you got sound again?
What?
You think that Donkey Kong?
Ooh, you a hater. Oh, yes, babe. Thank you. Comment down below, glow up, because we going up together, sis. Let me know down below what color you would like for me to try next. And until next time, peace.